Okay, today I bought the Viabecs 10.2 inch info display for Toyota Highlander 2014 to 2019. And I'm going to be putting in my car later, but I just wanted to show you what came in the box. Pretty nice packaging. So, installation guide, audio connectors, and some other connectors, a harness, I believe this is the CAN harness, CAN 04 XFT harness, and then looks like the bottom is the display. There's the full display. Just wanted to show you guys what all is in the box so you know you got the right stuff. Looks like we'll hook up all of this in the car later. And then looks like they also gave a gift as a glass protector. So maybe I'll put it on, maybe I won't, but nice gesture from them. And this is my cat who will be helping us, Kelly. Okay, I wanted to walk through these parts while we have good lighting. There's this manual, which looks like is everything for how to use the display. There are some diagrams at the back for ports on here. Looks like this is this port over here, 16-pin port. But then there's this other manual that's got the connectors. So we'll just make sure we got everything. There's the CAN 04. That would be this harness here. I'm not going to untwist it yet, but it comes twist tied. Looks like the antenna. Something. Yeah. And what else we got? We got 20-pin audio cable. Is that this? This is all your audio, all your speakers. Wi-Fi cable. Oh yeah, this is your camera. So not Wi-Fi, but maybe this is for Wi-Fi. We'll see about that later. 4-pin USB. It's a USB extension if you want to have a USB. 6-pin USB. There's another USB, 6-pin. That might be to replace the USBs that are under the dash. Here's a new antenna if you need a 4G or 4G antenna. Here's a GPS antenna. Here's the external mic. Okay, here's the 4-pin USB adapter. Got the user manuals already. There's a cleaning cloth. And then it looks like it did come with the tempered film for protection. So I did order this 5-pack Pro Car removal tool. I I saw it in a video that I saw on how to install this. I'm just making a video just for fun. So it comes with some stuff to wedge in side here to get, if you can see this, it wedges in here and here, and it'll help pop off this front dash piece. So there's a couple different sizes. Basically like mini crowbars, but made of plastic so they don't gash the dashboard. And then they did come with a metal one, so hopefully I won't need that, but you know, that last resort one. Okay, there is a gap right here, so I'm going to try, I see it now, try and pull out right there. That slides right in, and then maybe I can pop this out. There we go. Just pops out nice. Okay. Alright, so we're going to take this mount off. So if you look here, there's actually a tab right here, and you have to push this tab down, well, down with reference to the panel, and then the clip just slides right off. And then this one's a lot easier. There's a little tab here, just pull that out. So now we can set this aside. I am going to remove these air vents. Looks like this whole thing actually, oh, there we go. Okay, so this right one, this piece here was supposed to come out too. Let me just pull that out. That was actually pretty easy. But basically I just pull on this ridge here, and then this piece pops out. Okay, now let's make sure I'm not breaking anything. Wedge the top. All right, there we go. Okay. Try that left side again. I'm going to do the same thing. Just pull from the bottom. Not even use my tool. Okay, and that one a lot easier. Okay guys, sorry for the noise. It's my heated garage. Very convenient, but not the best for making YouTube videos. So there's two more bolts back behind here. You'll see them if you're doing this yourself. So then slide this out. Should slide out now. Just gotta tug on it. Okay, just make sure you don't pull too hard and pull against any of these things. So with the new one, when I bring it out here, it's a lot thinner, and it's going to be a lot easier to take out if I ever break it or need to replace again. Hi, Mia. Yes, you're adorable. Alright, so I will go get the new one, and we will be right back. So I got the 4G antenna plugged in. I actually found a spot behind the clock up here that's pretty flat. Stuck there. The GPS, mounted it at the back of here. There's a flat square spot for it. And I actually used the twist ties they gave me to bundle everything together and just tidy up some other wires. Who knows if this stuff will work. I highly doubt the 4G is going to work because I don't have a data plan for this, but who knows with this Chinese stuff, maybe it'll work. Pack all this together and just slide it. Make sure I get all these audio cables tucked behind, and then it should be very, very easy. Okay, so no distinctive click or anything when it's mounted, but it is mounted and it'll be held in place by the vents and the other panels. Can you push that in?
Okay. Did something.
You're gonna be in the video now.
Are you actually done though?
Say hi, Megan. Am I actually done?
Yeah.
Well, let's see.
Don't start the car with the, like, crack the garage door a little bit.
No, I'm just gonna.
Oh. It doesn't work.
Oh!
Stop it.